words on pop up when I rewind. Your smile is the only thing that comes to mind. Your smile is the only thing that shines. In your last breath you told me that you had to go, cause it pained you so. Oh, I loved you so much, so was it selfish to hold on and cling on to your body that holds a soul that wanted to set free the eagle in the cage, and you became eagerly what I wanted to be. You're the person to lead, the person to see off, another best friend that lands the end. I watch grown men moaning, women weep as you quietly descended 6 feet deep by the spirit ascended. Before wet eyes, a gift from God, return to sender. Though I like pretend that this never happened, I can turn around and see you laughing, but the fact is you could never practice. Game blindsided and in the windshield, and the thrill of the shards of glass. This too shall pass, for reality bites success not so fast. First you must climb a Calvary of shattered hopes, and then a mountain of prayers unheard, till you reach the peak where you can see the dark abyss below. Then you let me know if you have what it takes for a leap of faith. You had to say hell no, heaven just but not yet, please. Bless the forehead, cold in the bed, or alone on the road with nobody to hold. When the pouring rain is too much to bear, it's a reason to live, for a seed that needs care till death do us part, and it did. Come sun like clouds and it hit much sun. Your truth heavier than imaginary, die cast and lead on the lives we nursed and the days we cherished as kids.
Alright.
Your smile is the only thing that comes to mind. Your smile is the only thing that shines.
Thank you very kindly, my friend. In the world.
Sounds you only remember now.
Okay, so it seems like we can't do peer-to-peer because of
Fading away,
net. So I'm gonna do something else.
fading away.
Alright, so
Honor of you, how's the other side of that? It's a splendid view. No more stress for rent or to make ends. Collide in the cocktail shame with envy. I can hide behind lens that block the UV. Looking in from the outside, the bowl is murky. The toll for the bridge
Alright.
is rising. When the man says storm, city hall is burning. Same old chaos. Gotta shut myself like I'm waiting to take off. On the runway, scoping out the window. The moisture comes the sight though. Telling myself it's just another day in the life of a starving artist. Trying to paint a dream you walk from, chasing the departed. Wish to hang by the bank to see who can skip a storm the farthest. What I thought was a stream is now an ocean. No such thing as an extreme to show devotion to your craft, which I didn't know to have. Try to knock down your door and caught the backdraft. In the whiplash, all in reverse. Then I
Guess we
finally
need like
stood up and said I reserve
extra
the right to
chips.
serve anyone. And on the same note, you deserve the best of the most fun. By the way, I got your letter. You said you were fed up. Well, I second that, and I reckon that you tried, so I don't place the blame that you took the fifth and the first flight out of town into the mist till death do us part, and it did. Come sun like clouds and it hit much sun. Your truth heavier than imaginary, die cast and lead on the lives we nursed and the days we cherished as kids. We let the winds on pile up when I rewind. Your smile is the only thing that comes to mind. Your smile is the only thing that shines. Whether a tree lived to see the end of centuries or a random hit.
Okay, so we can do something like
It's all a
this.
miracle for all to see. I must tell you that you live beautifully.
Function. Okay, so first we need like an array. How do you even create an array? Let shifts equals to something like that. Hello. Shouldn't be like that. Well, we could just have like numbers. 2, 10, 50, 30, 40, 60. Shifts never used. Yep, okay. So we're in a we make a function that check shifts, something like that. Takes an array of lists, so shifts. Okay, we can just map. Okay, well, that's not what I meant. Shifts dot map, and like that. Can I do that? Yes, I can. So we're gonna take the E. Actually, okay. While yeah, so I need a for loop. Let I equals to 0, I is less than shifts dot length. How do I get length from shift? I absolutely despise JavaScript. How do you get the length of an array in JS? Oh, just dot length. Okay. Length. Yeah, for now let's do that. Then you can basically do another loop for let j equals to 0, j is less than 7, j plus plus. Then here we're gonna basically go through the shifts. Yeah, so we're gonna do like an I plus j, I guess, and get the current shift, which is like this. Okay, so it's never used. Alright, so that makes sense. Alright. Do I have node by the way? I don't have no sudo apt install node.js. Yeah, so that makes sense. We can just take the shift. Yeah. So you have the current shift. So so it's the current thing. Okay, that makes sense. Then we can basically create a buffer. I guess the buffer should reset like that. So buffer equals to 0, something like that, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the buffer and we're gonna add that like that. Constant state. It is. I mean, sure. It is. Oh, god damn. Okay. That makes sense. So now, yeah, everything seems to work. So okay. Node. Okay. So if we gotta check if buffer, gonna have a max const max hours. So my max hours is like 28. So if the buffer exceeds max hours, we're gonna basically console.log or should I log in? Jobber, something like that. So now I do this, we don't get Jobber, which doesn't make sense because I don't even call this function. Alright, so we're gonna pass in shifts and it should work. Yep, it's Job. It's Job. Right, so something more realistic would be something like let's do like something where like I know it's gonna be fine. So like that should be fine. I mean, first of all, this is not 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and then 7. Should be fine. Yeah, okay, it is fine. But if I do like 69 at this, yeah, it's gonna be jobber. Yep. So now I want this thing to actually go up till 7th. So like it shouldn't. Yeah, or 6. That's fine. Why is that fine? Huh? So it goes here. So like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there's 7. So I guess it should be 6. 6. Okay, it's jobber. Okay, it's only jobber once, which is good. Sure, I guess. I mean, should be fine. Okay, so if I make it 40, that is some like a 7 7 7 0 0 0. Alright, yeah, that should be fine. The 7 should be 28. That should be fine as well. That is 7. Yeah, so do 1 extra there. Yep. Okay, so that seems to be working. If I do 1 extra here, yeah, okay, that still works. So if I do 0 0, okay, so but that's just 1 week, right? There are multiple weeks. Yeah, so okay, let's say the first week was fine. The second week, so that should be, yep. If I do 2 weeks, really? That's true actually. Yeah, because okay, if the 7 is here, so this is 7 14 28. Let's do something like this one. What will happen? Okay, so that would be 1, that would be none, and that 1, that's odd. That shouldn't happen. Okay, so what it should do is it should just take a window of 7 and just add them. So that's what we're doing, taking a window of 7. Alright, so we first yeah, so we start from j equals 1. So if I is 1, j is 1, it's going to be 0. That's 1 2 3 4 up to until 6. So 0 to 6 is 7. Take that, add them, and you put that in the buffer, right? Oh, maybe that's the problem. Yeah. So I guess after this we're gonna have to break, I guess. Yeah, we should break. It's still not working. If we break, okay, so let's do something here. Let's print where the problem was. Okay, so the way we're gonna do that is we're probably gonna just print the index. So if it went like that, we're gonna first, is there like a way to exit? There's an exit. What? Okay. Oh, we can just return, I guess. Return. Yeah, so we can just console.log the current index, which is just I. What? Oh yeah, of course. Oh yeah, give me a second. 7, which makes sense because this is 6, so the problem starts from here. So I guess that's not a good way of doing it. I guess this is better. Because 13th, so 13th day is bad. Actually, it should be +1. So the 14th day is the problem. So you basically have 7 here, 7. So this 14th day, and that's the problem. That sounds about right. So if I do something like this, yeah, the 7th day is a problem. If I do something like this, the 6th day is a problem. Okay. Right. So we basically have that. Alright, so so how should I display that? So I was thinking we like draw like a calendar, but that seems very difficult. Yeah, that seems kind of hard. So, okay. How to make a Gregorian calendar? Is it like pragmatic? Wait, damn, zoom. Damn, okay. It's kind of cool, I guess. So, description. So, doing calendar. So, a leap year normally occurs every 4 years. A leap year historically was inserted by doubling the 2 days dated. Damn. Just trying to put an extra day at the end of the month. For the leap day. Central common calendar. Today the leap years. The leap years. So, okay. So what is a leap year? Sure, but how do I find a leap year? Okay, is there a way to get the current date? Current date in JavaScript. Maybe there's a way. New date. Damn. This is Java. Get month. You can get month. Okay. So what if I get month? Get month. Is that a function? Console. Yep. Get month not defined. It's a method. I need a new. Okay. So I need a date. Let date equals to new date. Then I can do a date dot get month. Whatever. That's fine. Okay. So gives me the month. Doesn't give it the month is which is 7. Okay, which is but wrong. It's not 7. What? Get month. Oh, it's 0 index. That okay. 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 Why is it 0 index though? I mean, I guess everything is 0 index. So you can get the year, the month, and the day. Get weekday as a number. Oh, that's also 0 index. Or whatever. So I guess we can like take the date. Okay, let's try to do something simpler. Let's try to generate. Okay, so first we need an enum, right? Do we need an enum? I mean, we could create like a bunch of constants. Can I have an enum? I don't think that. Enums in JS. I don't think I have enums. Java does not have native for enums, so we don't have enums. So we can just use const, I guess. So const jan equals to. Okay, let's stick with like the JavaScript 0 indexing, but yeah. So February, June, July, March, April, June, July, May. God damn it. May, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, so then it's gonna be annoying or whatever. Wasn't there like a how to increment a number in Vim? There was a way to do it. It's Control X, Control capital X. Oh, it's decrement. Control A, okay. What? What? That's crazy. Okay. And maybe just simply that. Okay, it was control. Okay. It's probably slower, but whatever. Right, so now we have the things enumerated. That's good. So if I get the current date, basically have the now I can create a. Okay, so let's do something like this. Function create calendar, which is going to create the calendar for the given month. So the month is going to be an int. So yeah, then I can switch. Do we have switch cases? We do. I think we do have switch cases. Month, and we're going to switch onto a couple of cases. So I'm going to do this, young this, paste this here. Now I'm going to assume this is like a switch in C. So what I have to do here is I have to probably have a macro that will basically go here, const, delete that, insert case, find the equals to, go back, delete that, do this, then space, this, break, go back, find this, do that, and then go down, escape, go down, and that's basically it. So yeah, so if I just do this, now if I just do that's perfect. empty block statement. Okay, whatever. Like, come on. Why is this? Why is this so anal, bro? Let me have an empty statement. It's not that big of a deal. Anyways. Sure. So it's January. Well, I mean, okay. So this is kind of a pain in the ass. Okay. So we need to first create another thing, which is gonna give me the month, and I also need the year. So this will return me how many days we have in the month. Okay, that sounds pretty good. So all right, so yeah, so February we can do that later, but okay, for now let's actually find this. So go down here. I think we need the break, so let's find break, go back, delete, like that. Sure, I guess that works. I don't know. So let's do Q. That works. Okay, that's pretty good. So now, if this was Jan, we should return. I realize we don't even need the break. Whatever. Whatever. We can just paste that in. Just delete the breaks. Okay, so now if it was Jan, we're going to return 31, right? Let's look at the Wikipedia. Is there a reliable way of knowing for a given date what day it will be? I mean, I guess you don't need that. I don't even know. So yeah, let's switch January 31. February, you can do that in a second. This is 31. Okay, so February, March. Oh, January, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. I have to change this whole thing again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I could have used that here. But anyways, so now here we need to add March, and here we need to add March. Okay, so it's 31, April, May, 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, 31. Okay, so this will basically get number days, Sakamoto days, so we can just get that. Now, okay, when do we use year? So basically, so what is a leap year? How is a leap year defined mathematically? Leap shifting, it shifts as well. I just realized. Okay, so yeah. Okay, how do you know the day from the date? What day is this date? This is given the day of the day if given a date. Ranging from a simple technology circuit to a complex mathematical algorithm. Doomsday. Okay. Okay. Is there a function that does that for me, by the way? Okay, JavaScript day from date. Get day. Wait, this might work. Oh, it's date. That's interesting. So I can do that. How's that implement? That's pretty smart. Or whatever. So so there's a function that gets me the date if I give it that gives me the day if I give it the date. So I go here, July. Is there another way of specifying this? New date. Okay, let's look at the constructor. D.constructor. It probably returns the function that created the day prototype. Okay. Date string. Existing date milliseconds. Oh, okay. Okay, so I can just pass it like this. Yeah. So I can make that the 0th hour, 0th minute, 0th second. So I can zero this all and zero that. Oh, never mind. Okay. Okay. So that's interesting. So how should I approach this? I guess I should get the current date, right? So I should look at the today and get today's date. So first thing I'm gonna do, can look at this in a second. We can basically let time, let's do const time, actually today equals to get a new date, which I guess should give me today. So today dot day, get day. It should give me today's console.log. So it should give me today's day, and then from there we can basically, yeah, I guess we could do that. Okay, so if I have today's day, okay, so I could, I guess, okay, so I could do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is the first day. So let's say this is just simply Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right? Friday, it's going to be Saturday. It's going to be like this. So this is going to be from 8, 9, 10, and so on. So now we have today's date, which is this, today. Then it's gonna be so annoying. So you have to find the first day of the month. Let me look at the calendar hours. Okay, online calendar. Sure, with Google Calendar. See how it's okay. It's just dark. That's just. I mean, it's just a line, I guess. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, it's just a line. Okay, so it is always. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So it's always aligned by the day, which makes sense, and the days have to be offset properly. Okay. So if I can find the first of the month and then find the date of the first of the month or the day of the first of the month, we can then draw the the rows accordingly. So that makes sense. Okay, so that's good. So how do I find the first of the month? So I get the date. All right. Okay, so I can just get the get today's date, then I can get the day. Okay, this is so then I can get the not the day, we can get month and then the year. So today dot get year, full year, just year, I guess. I mean, sure. So if I do this, it's a function. Oh, just call that. Yeah, okay, so that makes sense. So it's 7th, and I mean it's not really 7th, it's 8th, but yeah. Now when I create the date, look at the construction. Can I look at the constructor, bro? I guess I can. So it's the year. Okay, so then now I have to make the first. Yes, I should do something like that. Then the first should be today's year, full year. Today's day, today date, and then 1 or 0, because I guess it's 0, right? Yeah, because okay, so let's just today dot date, something like that. There's no date. God damn it. What? Today dot maybe get date. That's probably it. Okay, so today dot get date. Okay, so that works, I guess, and everything else should be 0. Okay, the first dot day, get day. So I just console log this. The month is, it's nan. What? The first is a nan. Why? Today dot get month. Maybe it's still a nan. No, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be 1. Should still be nan, but give me a second. So there was a string that you could use. Forgot. Yeah. Damn. Okay, is there a way to get? Okay, I can do something like this. We could do something like that, but then give me a second. To date string. Can I get that? Okay, let me look at that. So give me a second. So I can print date stir is gonna be today dot get date get string something string to string. Okay, sure. Can I use that now? To date string, so that's different thing. Okay, date string. Yeah, okay. So I need to remove the Friday. Damn, it's so annoying. Why is this so annoying? To time string value of, what is this? Value of method returns the primitive value of a data type. None. Okay, that was useful. Oh, parameters is none. Number representing. Yeah, so I guess everything is based on that. Get milliseconds, but can I create a date with just the year and okay, date constructor JS it's already constructed. Okay, the day. So the year and the month. What is the year? Okay, so 099 map to this. Okay, show me an example. Oh, I can do this. Yeah, because this is February 1st, 2022. Can I not do 2022 and like put it for yeah, I guess we could do that. Yeah, this looks useful, so we're gonna do this. So the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna construct a f string like this. Forgot how we did it. Okay, then we're gonna okay, so it can be today dot month. Is that how we did it? Give me a second. F string in JS. Oh, you just use backticks. Dumb. Okay, so then I'm gonna do it today. It was first month, right? First months. Yeah, it was first months. Okay, this can be 1, and then this can be today dot year. Okay, so if I do all of that, undefined. How's that undefined? Of course it's undefined. It's get month. It's gonna be get year. So if I do this, okay, that looks not right. Get full year, is it full year? I guess it's full year. Okay, should it be get year or get full year? Well, I mean, it could work with both, I guess. So let's do this now. So we're going to do a date, const the first is new date, like that. Then we're going to basically console.log. Can we just print? Okay, I guess we can't do this. Okay, so let's just print the get day. Okay, that's not what I want to do. It's 0. The day is day is 0 apparently. Let's make this 2. Should be 1. Okay, that makes sense. So let's look at it's Friday. It's not it's supposed to be Friday. Okay, and that's not right. Should be Friday. Isn't 0 Sunday or something like that? It was 0. Day. Yeah, it was Sunday. So 0 is Sunday. Yep. Which is wrong. Okay. Okay, let's first print the first dot get string to date string. So just I guess this is the problem. So let's do a get full year. No. I mean, it's not still correct. It's the 1st of July. It's not July. What? Ah. Yep. This is absolute cinema. Okay, so that should be correct. So it's Friday. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Finally. This is crazy. Okay, so basically you can get the current day. Okay, so we can do something from there. This is okay. So for some reason the date constructor takes first index and then it returns a 0 index. Damn, that makes a lot of sense. Truly the best API. Okay, we should change. Maybe something else. Like this one. All right, so okay, we got the things, I guess. So now, okay, so we finally made that work. Okay, I'll take a break for a second. Okay, so I guess I'll stop the stream right now. I have to think about how to render it, so we'll render it somehow. I don't know how to render it, so I haven't thought of it. So yeah, peace.